Welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro. Today, we're diving deep into the brand new Sony Xperia 2 2026, a phone that's already shaking the flagship world. Sony has come back stronger than ever, and this device proves it from every angle. The first thing that grabs your eyes is the design. The Xperia 2 continues Sony's iconic minimal style but upgrades it with a metal glass body and a striking ocean black to sky blue gradient finish. When light hits the surface, it shines like a premium mirror, elegant, bold, and unmistakably Sony. Flip it around and the triple-lens camera module immediately stands out. Sony has packed in a 108-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with 8K recording support. The real magic, though, comes from Sony's new AI Cine Engine 3.0, which enhances low-light photos, balances skin tones, and gives every shot that cinematic Sony touch. On the front, you get a 6.8-inch 4K AMOLED display with HDR Pro 120Hz refresh rate, ultra-bright, color-accurate, and razor-sharp. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing videos, this display turns every frame into art. Under the hood, the Xperia 2 2026 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, paired with 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. Performance is lightning fast. Apps open instantly, multitasking is buttery smooth, and even heavy 3D games run flawlessly with advanced vapor cooling technology. Battery life is another win. A 5500 mAh cell supports 100W fast charging and 50W wireless charging, taking you from 0 to 70% in just 15 minutes. Plus, Sony's smart battery protection ensures long-term health. For audio lovers, Sony keeps its heritage alive: the stereo speakers, high-res audio, and even a 3.5mm jack delivers studio-grade sound. Connectivity includes full 5G mmWave, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 6.2, keeping you future-ready. In short, the Sony Xperia 2 2026 combines beauty, power, and precision like no other flagship this year. If you want a phone built for creators, gamers, and professionals alike, this is it. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more epic unboxings and the latest tech reveals every single day.